Hey guys, this is Amirsdxxz, and today I will show you guys how to hack I'm in Diaries Saga. I'll put down the volume. So, well, this hack is actually pretty easy and also complicated. Well, those two things doesn't match to each other, but it is, trust me guys. The reason why I say it's, well, first go to easy. The reason why I say it's easy because it is easy, it's practical, and it's very easy. I'll show you why. And also the reason why it's complicated because you have some steps to do to save your data and do other stuffs to synchronize both stuff because you will be needing a computer, which is one of the reasons. So if you do have a computer, just comment down below and I'll make another video to show you guys how to do it without a computer. For this video, it's with a computer. So we'll first start off with playing. Alright, so in here guys, as you can see, everything is normal. You see everything is normal and stuff, but yeah. So first, what you will need guys is to save your data. And if you don't know how to save your data, well, it's totally easy. I'll show you how to do it. You will just need a Facebook account, which I know a lot of you guys have. So just click on that button right here. It doesn't say disconnect. It only says disconnect if you're connected. So press on that button and you'll save your data. Just sign in and everything will be synchronized. Well, if this doesn't display after being connected, well, you shall wait. And then to synchronize your data, just click on play. And for some reason, it doesn't synchronize your data on screen. Well, if you want to save all of your data, what you need to do is to go right here and click on your save progress, and this little screen will pop up. Just wait for 5 seconds and everything will be synchronized, as you can see. So right now we'll be moving to the computer and show you the next step. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, now we are back on the screen. We will need two applications. So the first application will be Cheat Engine. Well, you guys may be familiar about it, but you will be also surprised what it can do. A lot of things. And if you're used to it, like you're someone that likes cheating a lot, well, this is the rightful place for you. And I know when you see this, you're like, wow, I know that application, and it's also awesome to hack. So the next one is Facebook Game Room. Well, some people, to not say a lot of people, don't know something that's Facebook Game Room, which is a Facebook for desktop, which is completely awesome. Well, I found out that application couple of weeks ago. I never knew there was a Facebook desktop because I'm not used to, well, you know, talking to media stuff. So yeah, uh, yeah. So yeah. First, what we need to do, guys, is to have an active network connection, and next up, open your application. Alright, I'll put that on full screen. Alright, right now we'll be searching the game. You can either search it here, or if you're often playing on Facebook, which the browser, well, you'll actually see it here, the most played games. So I've played this game recently, which was on my phone, but I never played on the browser, but it shows it here. So if you're used to play it and also connected to Facebook, well, it will be shown here. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but it will be. So click on it, and while clicking on it, I suggest you to minimize your application and open up Cheat Engine in administration mode. Alright, and make sure that you open it in administration mode, and if it's not automatically shown, Well, you just need to right click on it and click on run as administrator, and that should be it. So right now it'll be, this is the tricky part, but first up we'll be waiting for this game to fully open. So I'll match the screen right here. Alright, so since this is the desktop version, it won't say connect to Facebook or something like that because you're already connected, because it says Facebook Game Room, which is a Facebook application. So click on play. This shall synchronize your data and you'll be good to go. Right now, this is a complicated part. So first open up your cheat engine or pop it up and right click on that little box right here. If you're not used to it, just click on here, and if you're used to it, I know you'll be saying, I know what you're saying, bro, stuff. I know, but some people are beginners, so I need to explain them, guys. Don't worry, you won't be bored like usual. So this is the tricky part. The thing is, Facebook opens up multiple game processings, like there are multiple processes here, and you can't define which of them are the rightful one to hack in. So I'll show you how. Actually, some type of applications just have this minimum constant of running, which is under an application. So if you have like multiple process like this one, I suggest to open up the one that is under an application that is not from your application, if you know what I mean. Click on that one and click open. And if you're not really sure this is the rightful one, don't worry, you can just still click on other ones. So go back to your game, and right here we'll be learning how to hack that. See guys, this. So this will be something pretty complicated. Alright guys, in order to hack the gold, you'll be needing to hack this first, because if you're used to this game, you'll be seeing that when this bar is fully filled, you'll have some golds. So we will just have to hack it. So go into your cheat engine app and make sure guys, if none of this works, like if the skin doesn't work, make sure to go here and select one of those Facebook process. Alright, so I'll be choosing a random one. I've chosen it already, but I think I'll be choosing something else because my conscience says, well, it's something else. So I'll just open a random one. This is one of the complicated parts, guys. Don't worry, you'll work that out. It's not that complicated. So put in the value 366, and something that you need to know guys, is really important. You can't really have diamonds in the levels that you played already, so you just have to play the nearest level that you haven't played yet and click on play. So right here guys, I won't be leaving you bored seeing me playing this game and be waiting or skipping the video. I'll just keep it for you guys and go back to the finished line. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, now that I have completed the level, we are now in 370. So we write that down. I'll first go to next and next. Now go back to your cheat engine and put on the other value. Alright, so that you have right here guys. So I'm lucky to have it. Like I said guys, it might not be the one that you're searching. So if you're searching something and it doesn't like come right here, if it is blank, then go to another process until you see the right result. You don't have to change anything here guys. If you're used to cheat engine, leave everything here, just like you see it. So double click on that one if you're not used to it, and click on that and change the value to the latest need. So mine is 600. I'll put it on to 600. And what we'll be needing right now, guys, is to play another level. So I'll click on play. Alright. Okay, just like before, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, I've completed the level. So as you can see, it's all over to 600. So it's magnificent how you can have this thing working on just with a simple cheat app. So click on next and click also on next if it shows up. So right here guys, you have completed completed your G well. So click to claim your reward. And like you will see guys, it will give you 10 gold bars and it will be collected. So right here, this is the most important and exciting part guys. So next, what you will be needing is to go to the next level and click one of your empty or the one that you want to use that has a booster. I'll be clicking on that one because I don't have a lot. So it will give you exactly 10 guys. So I'll be buying some. Don't worry guys, it's worth it. Just buy some if you're not cheap. Just saying. And it will give you 3. And right now guys, before clicking on play, we'll go back to the cheat engine and click on new scan. And don't forget guys, if you want to have more gold bars, you can still go right here, which is really impressive. You can still go right here and modify the value until you get most gold bar as possible. This is one of the gold bar hacks. We're done with that right now. Now what we'll be needing is a booster hack. And first we'll go to the cheat engine and wipe this off and leave the 3. First scan. Alright. Now what we'll be needing is select your booster and click on play. And right now guys, you're actually noticing that you're having 2 booster right now because you already used the other ones. So as I said before, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we have completed the level. So we'll continue to the next tab. Oh, 3 shiny stars. Alright. And like usual guys, when you use a booster, oh, they give you a new one. Spoiler for the ones that are not in this level yet. You shall not see it. Alright, as you can see, you have 2 boosters left. So go back to your cheat engine and click on 2. There we go. And don't worry guys, you will still have your hack. Don't worry about the gold bar, you won't be needing to buy another one. And if you do need, you still know how to hack it now. So click on the booster and click on play. Alright, like before, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we have successfully completed the level. Alright, let's move to the next step. Oh, shiny. 3 stars by cheating. Alright. Okay guys, now that we have 1 left, let's open up that. Oh, luckily we do have more than that. So if you guys have occurred more booster by acquiring some keys of some sort, don't worry, you can still choose the value. So go back to your cheat engine just like before. Don't worry guys, it will still be the same thing, but I have 4 right now, which is a bit complicated, but you still get the chance to have your hack. So as I said, if you still have 1 and don't have required a key yet, just click on 1 and you'll see your results. But if you have more than that, just like me, 4, I'll click on 4 and click on next scan. You'll see 2 of them. If you see one or none of them, well, you'll be still needing to go there. But that won't be necessary because you have selected the right process. If one works, all of them will work. So make a multi-select like this and drag it right here. And what you'll be needing, guys, is to click on one of them and click control and click on the other one and double click on it. No, just double click on it right here. All right, now you can select whatever value you want. I'll be typing let's see, 44, I can say, and click on OK. And right now, guys, when you go out and you go back, everything will change. As you can see, you have night 44, just like that one. I've hacked that one time ago before making this tutorial. And yeah, we're done with that part. So the next step is how to hack the hammer. Well, it's pretty much the same way. You just need to buy some golds right here and continue doing the step. So this is all. And yeah, but right now, guys, the most important part, how to put it back on your device. If you guys are wondering, man, I want to have it on my device, how can I do it? Well, guys, there's no need of jailbreaking or root for your Android. This is totally perfect. I'll call it the perfect hack. Not showing off because it's my tutorial, but the result of it is perfect. Well, for me it is. For you guys, it's desperate to hack this game without being rooted, like without putting your device in danger because of a game. Well, this is your chance to do it. So right now, guys, we'll just go back to the game. Here, guys, if you don't know this application, it synchronizes all of your data constantly. Every time you do something, it saves your data right into your storage, right into your cloud storage. Well, I call it like that. So what you'll be needing, guys, is to exit back to the game. So make sure that you have everything settled. You see, I have like 11, and I have like 44 right here, and 80, 98, 26 golds, everything settled. So we'll just go back. It's necessary, guys. Go back right here before closing it. Go back. All right. Now that you have gone back, and we will close everything here. We're done here, guys, and you can also click that one. And if you want to save it or for some modifying or whatever purpose, so you can just click on yes and name it, but I'll click on no for now. Alright, guys, let's go back to the device. Alright, guys, we're back to the device right now. So one of the most important part, guys, do not forget, this will take slightly a bit of time to synchronize the main process to this one. So don't worry, guys, if you don't see your current game data from the desktop into your device, well, don't worry, guys, this will take a bit of time depending on your network connection and the synchronization from the desktop in your device. That depends on Facebook. So click on play, make sure you're connected to your game. And also, before, I had never asked that before, but guys, you need to exit your game before it works. It might work constantly, it might not work. So before you actually continue, exit your game by doing this right here, closing your game process. So now we're back at it. As you can see, everything worked perfectly. But like you can see, guys, I have 11 over 300 like we had before, and I'm also in level 229, and yeah, everything is working. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll just put out this game stuff right here. So this was Amirsdxxz showing you guys how to hack Diaries Saga. So if you have any comments or any suggestions, I'll be sure to help you guys with it. So if you don't have a computer, like I said, just comment down below. I'll make sure to make another video for you guys. So this was Amirsdxxz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and stay tuned.